Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and thanks for finding me. It's the Sunday. In this video I'm gonna talk about the Canon DSLR camera. The Canon, popularly the brand known as the camera manufacturing company, and this camera 200D, EOS 200D. So in this video you can know about how to operate this device. So this device has one LCD monitor, shiftable LCD monitor. You can rotate it. So first you can rotate it. This is a flash, and this is a lens, and the lens, this is a lens, and this is the inbuilt flash. And when you use this lens, please move this key on stabilizer on. Don't stay off the stabilizer, just on the stabilizer on. And this lens capacity is 18 to 55 mm. I think this is the normal lens. Normal lens means 50 to 55 mm is a normal lens, and this is the image stabilizer lens. When you just remove the lens cap, how to remove the lens cap? Just you can just press, or you can just press. This is the old technique. This is the old technique, and this is the new technique. Just press and lens, and this one is lens protector cap. Just move this way and open. And how to remove the lens from camera body? So first press and hold this button, press and hold this button, press and hold. Just rotate and hold, press, rotate, and it easily removed from the camera body. So now this is a lens protector cap, and okay, this is the lens protector cap. You can when you purchase this camera First, when you purchase this camera and after unboxing, you can discover this lens is coming out with lens protector cap. So first you open this. Don't open this side. This is the lens front side and this is the lens back side, which is adjust to camera's body's lens. So you can see this is the face. This is the face, and the same way the lens has the same face. How to attach the lens to your camera body? First, press and hold this button. Press and hold this button, and fine. This is coming down. Press and hold this button. Just it automatically coming down. Just don't release this button. Just move. At first, just press this button. Automatically it sit on this gear, and just move and release this button. Okay, and this button is for shuttering button, and this button is for shifting the mode, and this is a charger, camera charger, and this is the camera battery. Camera battery 1040 mAh Li-on 7.2 volt. Just remove this battery from charger, and this is the battery case. And also memory card. This is the memory is coming. You can find this memory in the Canon US box. It is a SanDisk 16mm. It is free. We can grab this. We can grab this card in the camera box. So how to fix this memory card in the camera loop. So first insert and press. Okay, and then you can see the camera body has some face for this is a spring, and this has some face. So you can see the face, and this is the spring, and this is the face. So you can put the battery here. here is a spring and here is a face, so you can put the same face to okay. When just indicate the battery is on perfectly. Battery, you can set this battery perfectly when this indicator is on perfectly. Set your battery in the battery case. So first see here, focus your eyes in here. It is off mode and this is on mode. Off mode, this is on mode, and this is the camera shooting mode. First, when you switch on to on mode, the indicator is on, and open your lens cap and for built-in camera, for you can see for built-in camera in the low light, the inbuilt flash automatically stand. So at first you off the built-in flash. So how to do? At first go to the menu or menu, when you want to off your LCD, just push on the display button. You can find the display button is here. Just keep it off to your display. So keep it on your display, keep it you can find the display button here, or you can change the ISO, and you can so you when you start to shooting or taking image mode, then you click this, so it start. It is now it is running mode. When you keep it to preview mode, then press it again. So it is review mode. So if you want to view your image, so just paste here, and here display, there is no image here. So close this lens and keep in mind that always keep it off, just switch off the camera after every use and remove the battery from battery case. This is high recommendation for you, and the camera and this battery, put it along the battery charger. So in this video, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question or any feedback, so leave your comment on the comment box. So at the last of this moment in this video, see you again. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.